Happy Christmas from BusyBeavers.com.
Poke, poke, poke. Look at that. He's poking the fire.
Yeah, keep watching. There'll be a hand in a minute.
What do you mean? A hand?
A hand will put another log on the fire.
Oh, sounds good.
I like it.
Billy, where's that hand?
It's coming. Just wait.
I'm still waiting for the hand.
It'll come.
Oh, there it is. Oh, look at that. It's a hand. It's a hand putting a log on the fire.
I told you.
Oh, that was good.
I loved it.
I like the hand.
Billy, how long until another hand? When is the hand coming back, Billy?
Maybe a minute. Just wait.
Okay, I'll wait. Do. Just watching a fire. Waiting for a hand. I see a stick. Look, there's a stick. Poke, poke, poke.
It's good.
I prefer the hand.
I wonder when the hand is coming back.
I hope soon.
Maybe we'll get the stick again. I like the stick. Stick's good.
Oh, there it is. Poke, poke, poke.
I was right.
Still waiting.
It'll come. Come on, hand. Come on, hand. I want to see you. Where's the hand? It's coming. Just be patient.
I'm running out of patience.
It's coming.
All right. Let's count to 3. 1, 2, 3, hand. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. No hand. Still waiting for the hand.
It'll come. Look, there it is.
Yay! Hand!
I love the hand. Me too. Nice hand.